Smart one, is she? Yeah,
photophobic, you know, they don't like too much. They go away from light. Anyway, we've seen her.
Sorry.
Sorry?
No one's mentioned bee bread.
Bee bread. Ah, yeah, here, see?
Oh. She's on the bottom. You got it, guys?
Oh, yeah.
She's hiding. Let's leave her over.
I'll put that one back.
Yep.
You got it? You got it?
Bee bread. Let me show you.
Yes.
Bee bread actually is pollen.
Ah,
Stored.
there you go.
This is bee bread.
Right. Yes.
This is a normal pollen. When they soak it here, they mix it with nectar and that sort of things.
Right.
And they just keep it because they use some nectar and some gland secretions to stop it from fermenting, you know, to keep it over a sort of extended time. This lot is called, you know, pollen mixed with nectar and that sort of body secretions. It's called bee bread.
And can you eat that?
Yeah, you can eat it. Some people eat. They say it's beneficial.
Right.
I've never eaten, but you can have one if you want. Normally, the pollen they sell, you know, from internet or whatever, from health shop, you buy pollen, but it is not like bee bread. They collect it from the door of the house before it gets inside.
Okay.
It is not normally mixed with nectar and that sort of things. It is just pure pollen. But the ones inside the cells, the ones that they are storing, it is called bee bread.
Right, that's the difference then. Yeah, because there's pollen traps. I've seen them. They sell them. Yeah,
just at the gate. You know, it is
yeah,
pure
at
pollen.
the gate. Yes, I understand now. I've never understood. I thought there's all sorts. There's 4 things, but no, it's pollen at the entrance. Oh la la. Now it's all clear. Well, this is.